Ever wondered how to build a YouTube channel that makes money without showing your face? Today, I'm breaking down everything, from picking the right niche to researching video ideas and building a team. Follow this step-by-step guide, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to launch your own cash cow channel. Hey everyone, welcome to Cash Cow Automation. This video is packed with valuable insights, so make sure to watch till the end. And if you're serious about starting your YouTube journey, hit that subscribe button and drop a "done" in the comments for a chance to win a fully monetized YouTube channel, given away every month. Step 1. Choosing the right niche. The foundation of any successful channel is choosing the right niche. A niche is simply the topic your channel will focus on. If you're thinking about a gaming channel, then gaming is your niche. So, how do you find a profitable niche? Here's an easy way. Brainstorm ideas. Go to Google and search "list of hobbies" to find an extensive list of potential topics. Click on the Wikipedia link and explore different hobby categories. Check demand on YouTube. Pick a niche that interests you and type it into YouTube's search bar. Let's say you choose fitness. Analyze competition. Click on filters and select channels. This will show you existing YouTube channels in that niche. Spot opportunities. Look for channels that have high subscribers but fewer videos. This indicates demand but lower competition, an ideal niche to target. Repeat this process for different topics, and by the end, you'll have a clear idea of the best niche for your channel. Step 2. Finding viral video ideas. Now that you have a niche, it's time to find video topics that can get tons of views. Spy on successful channels. Open 10. YouTube channels in your niche with a high subscriber count and fewer uploads. Sort by popularity, go to their videos section and filter by most popular. Take notes. Write down at least 10 video topics that have gone viral in your niche. By following this strategy, you're not guessing what might work. You're using proven ideas that have already been successful. And just like that, you now have 10 high-performing video ideas ready to go. Easy, right? Let me know in the comments how simple this process was. Step 3. Hiring a team the right way. If you want to scale your cash cow channel efficiently, you need a team. But here's where many people get stuck. Instead of hiring random freelancers with unpredictable rates, follow this structured approach. Have your video topics ready. Before hiring, make sure you have at least 30 to 45 video topics planned. Get a cash cow manager. Rather than managing multiple freelancers, hire a cash cow manager who can handle the entire content creation process for you. Need help? If you're not sure where to find a reliable manager, DM me on Instagram, and I'll personally help you connect with the right team. Building the right team will save you time and ensure consistent, high-quality content for your channel. Bonus: Top 10 most profitable cash cow niches. Before we wrap up, here are 10 high-earning niches you should consider. Experiment videos, health and fitness, sports, calisthenics, product reviews, tech-related content, finance and investing, stock market insights, copyright-free music, motion loops and animated visuals, tutorials and how-to videos. These niches have massive potential and are proven to generate high engagement and revenue. Final thoughts. Congrats! You now have a complete strategy to launch a cash cow YouTube channel. Need more guidance? DM me on Instagram and I'll help you out. That's all for today. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.